Hi, I'm Armand Beasley and I am joined today by Ray Merchant from St International. Nice to have you here.
Thank you, Armand.
Good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
We saw each other at Makeup Week 2019 and how was it for you? Because that was our first show for Makeup Week.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, when we heard about the entire chapter about Makeup Week, what it's going to be, and when Vikas was talking to me about it, we've never seen something like that before in India. A particular category specialist show, so that's what got us interested to be at a specialist event. And then we had a makeup brand, so eventually we also wanted to market that, but honestly we were not very sure of what we are going to be pleasantly surprised with. And while we were also trying and experimenting our participation, we also enjoyed the entire way the show went off in those 2 days, and the way it was so education and focus driven that I think a lot of visitors also gave me the same review and feedback that they hadn't come across something like this, which was so casual yet so informative. And that's the way it got drilled into the brains and heart.
Oh, that's good. That's great feedback.
Yeah. So
because I think it's important that as a community we come together and we help support each other.
True.
And inspire each other. Now, obviously with St International, you have multiple brands.
True.
We've got a few of them around us. Award-winning brands, should we point out. Your brushes, congratulations. You just won the Elle Beauty Awards.
Yes, this happened last month. We were awarded as the most popular makeup brushes by a voting system. It was India who voted for us.
How do you keep ahead of the innovations? Because obviously we're heading into a new decade.
Yeah.
We've got Makeup Week 2020 around the corner, that's in March. So what do you think the makeup artists are going to start to see in 2020 when it comes to innovations with makeup?
As a brand, we invest a lot of technology and even on IT. We basically do a lot of post sales and marketing campaign feedbacks and researches.
Yes.
We look into what the competition or the aspiring brands globally are doing. I keep traveling a lot myself, various factories, various places of manufacturing, to understand what's going on. And likewise, because my main country of business is India, we try to get the best what is suitable for the Indian skin, Indian climate, and the Indian audience requirement. So it's again a complete program which connects us to what is the technology, what is the latest trend, what is the available options to achieve that, and then what is the expectations from the audience. It's our clear focus is actually to fulfill the demands of our consumer, and like you said, the bar is raised. It's like more power and more responsibility. We need to constantly be out there to be sustainable and to be satisfying.
So sustainability, that's a big thing for you as well at the moment.
Really big thing.
Yeah.
I mean, whoever doesn't, I don't think so can survive.
Right, thank you so much. We're going to be seeing you obviously at Makeup Week 2020.
Oh, I'm looking forward for it. It seems to be already exciting, and we hope the industry accepts it well, and we have more and more people coming to take back a lot of information which you guys put across.
I'm super excited. And do you know that we're doing one in Delhi as well in August?
Oh no.
There you go. 10th and 11th of August.
Nice.
Makeup Week is coming to Delhi. But please come and join us 23rd and 24th here in Mumbai for Makeup Week 2020. You'll see Ryan with St International and his gorgeous multiple brands. And of course you'll see me as well. And we look forward to seeing more of you, hopefully very, very soon.
Thank you guys.